Everyone is rushing to harness AI as they see the potential to boost creativity and productivity. However, selecting the right approach that works within your company's AI policies is key. This is why HCL Software is introducing Domino IQ, an efficient offline AI that can enrich your data and processes within minutes. And you don't need to be a developer to use it. So, why have Domino IQ? Did you know that according to recent research, 1 in 10 AI prompts could expose sensitive data? New AI legislation is coming, and you will need to be able to choose the model that works for your organization's risk profile to avoid heavy fines. With Domino IQ, you can avoid these issues. It could also save you money on expensive vendor subscription models that are not predictable and avoid the risk of losing your data privacy. Domino IQ enables you to find new insights to your decades of organizational data to improve efficiency in your processes, operations, and customer experiences. The core of Domino has always been extended to accommodate IQ, making it faster to deploy and saving you money compared to a DIY approach with extra servers, subscriptions, and moving your data. There is no extra infrastructure or internet connection required, because with Domino IQ, you get to choose the large language model you want to use locally. For developers, we provide LotusScript and Java extensions, as well as REST APIs to make it easier to add IQ to your existing apps and create new ones. Are you ready to see the Domino IQ in action? Let me hand over to my colleague, Thomas Hampel.
All right, thank you, Annalyn. Let me show you how easy it is to add Domino IQ to one of your existing applications. Imagine a Domino app that is used by travel agents to offer personalized excursions for their customers. The options these agents have are endless, and it makes it time-consuming for these agents to deliver better experiences. Now, with Domino IQ, we can help these agents. As an owner of the app, I'm going to leverage Domino IQ insights to speed up the process so these agents can spend more time with customers and less time searching. Once downloaded, I can use it to select what fields I want Domino IQ to include in the summary and then push the design changes into the travel app. Now, we can return to the app and see there is a new drop-down menu at the top. With Domino IQ enabled, the app will be able to easily summarize all excursions. With this small change, the agents will gain 80% of their time back. That's a huge productivity gain for their business and a better experience for their customers. Not only can you build new or upgrade existing applications with Domino IQ, it can also help with managing your day-to-day communication overload. Can you imagine summarizing long mail threads or drafting email replies with Domino IQ? All that is possible with Domino 14.5. After you upgrade, download one or more of Domino IQ examples from the Domino Marketplace to quickly get started. As the product manager for Domino IQ, I have been working with beta testers for months and have already seen amazing new solutions being built. I can't wait to see what you come up with. With that, back to you, Annalyn.
Thanks, Thomas. The feedback from Domino IQ has been overwhelmingly positive. We're adding more intelligent search and reasoning of your existing data with retrieval-augmented generation. We want to make the users of your apps more productive. Expect to see more Domino IQ functionality exposed in mobile, desktop, and web clients in the future. Domino IQ opens the door to new innovation. I hope you're as excited about Domino IQ as we are.